got a whole bunch of sea geese. Duck.
What is up, guys? It was like snowing earlier, but now it's not, so it's kind of wet on the roads. I've never done a burnout on this car, and I'm getting ready to go to the track. Stay tuned for that.
Send it.
We're gonna send this car. I'm gonna try to do, because I'm getting a new clutch here soon, so I'm not like intensely trying to burn this thing up, but I kind of am, if that makes sense. So I'm getting a new clutch for this car. I'm gonna try to do burnout. I've never done a burnout before, so we're gonna see what we can do. We're here at a little secret spot, but we're gonna do this. All right, guys.
Nice.
Oh, I wasn't even recording. Anyway, smells like 93 octane. We're gonna try to get this burnout out of the way. Hopefully no cars are coming. And I'm gonna have Zach do a, well, I'm gonna have Zach outside the car to get the burnout. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna do it under the bridge.
That's what she said.
Let's put these on. All right, Zach. Whoa.
Send it.
All right, guys, well, we're gonna let her cool down for a minute.
That's your first real burnout.
That's my first real burnout, so we can't see under the hood because I got nitrous. Not really. But we're gonna let her cool down, and I wonder if you can still see smoke. So, hope you guys enjoyed a quick little video. We might go do something else, I don't know. But I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Look at these tires. Damn, they're warm still. Yeah. Hopefully I'm gonna see you guys at the track. I'm excited.
Look at this Prius behind me, probably hating me because they can smell the 93 and the environment dying.
Stop beating him.
Let's see if I can catch the next right here. Just the arm. Believe you. Duck. Here we go, guys. There's only one way to merge, and that's full force. Full force merging. Here we go. Watch out for the putty. Here we go. Ah! We got a whole bunch of sea geese. Here we go. Get off my lawn!
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please comment down below what you think of my burnout. It wasn't the best because it was my first. Hopefully when I get this new clutch, we'll be practicing more and going to the track and figuring out the car a lot more. But if you guys have any burnout videos and want to get featured on my Instagram, look at this guy. Look at this guy. Go to my Facebook group page. You guys can post anything on there, like YouTube related or anything. If you guys have any questions, just post it right there. And then any submissions in there, and I'll post you guys on Instagram. Comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping.